Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at how I make coffee. I haven't used a drip coffee machine or a K-cup type machine for years. I much prefer using a French press. So I just have a little French press here, just a one serving, and then I always get coffee beans that are unground. I love Hawaiian Kona coffee, and this brand is amazing. I've been to Hawaii and it tastes almost similar just to what I had there. So to make coffee with a French press, you're going to need a coffee grinder, a French press, and some heated water. And I have this nice little pot over here I've had for like 7 years now. So I don't really measure, but you can kind of figure out how much you want. I just fill up the bottom of my grinder so that I can't see the bottom anymore. To make just 1 cup worth, the more you're making, the more you'll need. You'll figure out exactly how much to use as you do this. And then we just go ahead and grind it up a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. From there we'll have our coffee grounds. Doesn't have to be in a dust. You see some larger chunks in there, that's fine. We'll take our coffee press top off. Throw my coffee in there. And then we just take our water, fill it up. Then we'll put the top on, but don't push the plunger down. The plunger separates the coffee grounds from the liquid water once we're done. And you'll see this coffee, this Kona coffee, when this is done, I'm using a clear cup, which is not really great for coffee because it'll be hot, but I want you guys to see this coffee turns out like a brown color. It's not like a diner or a restaurant where you get this, almost burnt black color. So we'll show you that. We just let it sit for 5 minutes. Now that it's been about 5 minutes, we just push the plunger down, and then you can just pour. Take a look at the color of this. Probably haven't seen coffee quite like that before. It's a really amazing color and amazing taste. Coffee actually has as much or more antioxidants and health benefits as teas, but just like when people make matcha lattes with tons of sugar or they add tons of sugar to coffee, you can kind of reduce the health benefits. But they do say people that drink coffee live longer. They say that about tea too. But this coffee is just amazing. There's no reason to add anything to it because it just tastes so good as is. I'll put some links down below so you guys can find this coffee and this coffee press and that little water heater too. That thing's pretty cool. But if you have not used a French press before, give it a go. You're going to be amazed with the quality of the coffee, and make sure you use whole beans that you grind yourself at home. I wanted to show that. If you guys have any suggestions or any other coffee tips, let me know, and we'll see y'all later.